many more than 100 homes are damaged by either they took a direct hit or they had shrapnel that fell from the sky. There was an explosion in the house or in the garden, and the houses were damaged.
To help to clean and fix the home. We have a lot of work to do. She said thank you very much. You helped her.
This house is currently being repaired, but the family can't come back until it's improved. You can see here that there was an explosion in the garden. A rocket hit, and a lot of shrapnel hit the house, and it's cracked the wall in various places. So there's a lot of repairs have to be done, a lot of structural repairs. Even as many of the homes that appear to be still standing and in good order, actually, when they're looked at more closely, they're not in good order. Some of them are structurally unsafe, and the families can't return home. So it's extremely difficult for the families, especially ones with children. How can they pay for all of this? So although the immediate rocket attacks have abated, and the problems have not all been solved, so they really still need our help. They need all of our help. And there's many other towns and villages like this. So we're grateful for all the help that you can give. We're channeling as much as we can to these communities. So the families in Shlomi, 63 families were helped on this particular project. And by your generosity and by the grace of God, we were able to buy a whole range of things: fridge freezers, ovens, air conditioning units, microwaves, kettles, the list goes on, things that they really needed to cook or to clean. And it's very hot here, so it's just things they need to move home. But between all of this and with good people pulling together, there's people that are returning to this town, and the future is bright, because God is the Magen Yisrael, the shield of Israel, and he will not see this place completely destroyed. So it's not the end of the story.
This for God.
Yeah.
God.
Yeah.
I'm only with God. I talk with him every day, and they give me all. I'm with no people. Only friends that come every day to help me, and God.